Okay, quickly, I just want to show you guys one or two more things about the 3D drawing that's actually quite cool. First of all, let's quickly create a layer for the border because then we can switch this thing off, which is just so much easier. So just type in layer and yeah, just go to layer, click on the little button that has like a little star, yellow star on it. You'll see a new layer will pop up, call it border. And then I want you to just click on your viewport and I just want you to move it away. And then I want you to just highlight the entire border. Go home, go here to your layers, and then I want you to just click border. No, shucks, I didn't want to do that. Control Z. I didn't want this to be part of that. So just select your border. Don't make sure that your viewport is unselected. I forgot to deselect it. Just click on border. Now this will be under the border layer. So now if we move, this is still under the 0 layer there. So now if we switch it off and we say turn the layer off, you'll see that that frame goes away. So yeah, just do that for all the borders. Just create a border layer and just put it under there. It makes it easier. Okay, now let's say you want to make it look a little bit pretty because this looks a bit bland. If you have time and you really want to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my model space. Let's go to our top view. And let's just go, it doesn't matter, I can stay realistic. Let's quickly create one more layer. And let's call it like grass. Okay, and then let's go to our grass layer and let's keep it on. And then let's choose like a rectangle and we draw like a little rectangle around our house here. And then let's click on it and let's click on hatching. Let's click on solid. Click on the rectangle again. And then we're going to make it like a green, whatever color you want to make it. Okay, and then, so if we then go back into our 3D view, you'll see like we'll have like a little, go to our layout space. Oh, sorry, just close your hatch creation before you try to go to layout. I always forget about that. Go to layout. Now you'll see you'll have like a bit of grass around it. Let's just quickly switch on our, before we switch it, we need to have it on to be able to move it or do anything with it. So just switch it on. Let's just make it slightly bigger so we can actually see what's going on there. Okay. And then we'll switch it off again at the end once we're done because we're just still modifying a few things. So now let's say we want to add a few other things. Let's go back to model space. If you type in DC, which is Design Center, and you open your AD Center, there we go. You'll see that, I just want to move mine here to the side. There we go. You'll see that you have like a heck of a lot of things. So under metric, there's like, we're going to use this later on as well with like your furniture, your fixtures, your bathroom stuff, everything's here. So if you go to metric and under design, you'll see one folder that's called site. So under there's like quite a few cool things. So I mean, under what's currently open, street furniture is currently open. You'll see there's like a bench, there's like a picnic table. So let's say we want to put in the picnic table, just double click on it. And I mean, you can put in like a little picnic table. Okay, we can move it if we want to. It's just because it's snapping. Let's turn our snap mode off again if we want to move it. Let's say we want to put a little picnic table. And you'll see at the bottom there's trees. You can even put like a tree. You'll see it looks gray but once you've put it in, it turns green. That's not a great tree, but I mean, whatever. So you can put a little tree in it if you want to also just move this. And then, You can even show your parkings if you want to. You'll see under parking, it just has like the symbols, but you can again go and use the rectangle tool, like I just showed you how to do the grass. And you can even like show your parking spots if you want to. There's like the symbol for the disabled. I mean, you can even go and put that in after you've drawn a parking spot. So that's very cool. So you can make your thing look a little bit more pretty than just so you'll see after you've done that, then we can just click on it and we can just switch that layer off to get the border away. And then it looks a little bit prettier. So that's just a little updated part on the 3D on the 3D drawing.